simplify 4 over the 4th root of 32. A couple ways that you can do this problem, but I would take 32 and break it down, product of primes. So 32 is 2 times 16. 16 is 2 times 8. 8 is 2 times 4. 4 is 2 times 2. So you have how many 2's? You've got 5 2's in there. Well, 4 of them can come out, right? So I'll just do this one step at a time. 4, that's 2 to the 4th, that's 16. And the 4th root of 2 to the 4th is just 2. The 4 and the 1/4 cancel each other out, because remember, that's just 2 to the 4th to the 1/4, and those multiply and they just give you 1, so you got 2. But I still have a 4th root of 2 on the bottom there. So I'm not done yet. Actually, I can cancel these right here and turn that into a 2. So it's nicer, simpler, but I still have...
4th root of 2?
Because why do I have another one? Because there's another 32 is 2 to the 5th power, not 2 to the 4th power. So when I'm simplifying this, if I said simplify that, then your answer would be 2 4th root of 2. Because 3 of those, it took 4 2's to come out, but you had a total of 5 in there, so there's 1 left. I call it in jail. There's 1 left in jail. It didn't break jail. Because you can only break in powers of 4. Okay? Similar to square. Go back. There's other videos about simplifying square roots as well. But now let's simplify this. We still have a radical on the bottom. So to do this, we're going to multiply this by the 4th root of, well, I need 3 more 2's to be in there, right? So that it can break jail. So 3 more 2's is 8. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So I'm going to multiply that on the bottom and the top and multiply by that fraction. All I'm doing is, it's kind of like taking 1/2 and multiplying it by 3 over 3 and getting 3/6. It's the same thing. 1/2 and 3/6 are the same. That's all I'm doing. I'm multiplying by 1 basically in the form of root 4 or 4th root of 8 over 4th root of 8. Okay. When I do that, that allows down here, this will become what? It'll become the 4th root of 16, which is just the 4th root of 2 to the 4th, which is just 2. Right?
Yeah.
So that's 2 is in the bottom. And on the top, I have 2 4th root of 8. And now I can cancel those out. And you get the 4th root of 8 as your answer. There's another way that you could have done this, and that other method at the very beginning, so this may or may not make it easier for you, but at the very beginning, if you would have noticed what you had, that you had 2 to the 5th there, you could say, oh, I need that number, the exponent, to be a multiple of 4, because this is 1/4, right? That's a 1/4 power. Mm-hmm. So right away, you could have, like what I would have done right away, is just go ahead and multiply it by 2 cubed, which is, right, 8, 4, 2 cubed. I would have done that because then right away I could see that right there in my head. I know that equals 4, the 4th root of 2 to the 8th power.
Okay.
And that just means 2 to the 8th to the 1/4 power, which is just 2 squared, or 4. So I would have just written 4 over 4, 4th root of 8. Those cancel, and you get the 4th root of 8. Either way is fine. I did this first method to show you that, so you could understand where it came from. But then this is really the way that most people would do it. They would just go straight to that instead of simplifying at the beginning. You could just take that 32 there and think of it as 2 to the 5th, and I need 3 more 2's there, so that I'll have 2 to the 8th, which can then simplify down.